Amatko ni gatigaire 25 eriense ya Kenya gusasa obochoria bonene uburobere gokorekana chitariki kianda cy'umutinyo 5 na 3 omwaka oyega kinga kibona abakenya bagenderete kubori wa kwenekia omurembe ari nabana siasa ase baboriwe kweneke buna gukora bari siasa cyabo asenchira ire yo murembe eriyo koreta obotoereru imeyense ya Kenya kinga kingi yo mwanchi omurigerere kerongwege na ritko ya undigenderete ko bari toereru kigima nabo igono genderete kwego kya ase miroberi yonsi yeritko ya rero ekerere neritko halamis tariki 14 cy'umutinyo 5 na 2 omwaka no w'ibere 2022 nekinga kingia ekerongo kwarigani SMS yamaya ironko manyenara yaya na kwariganire asenchira ere yo bwenge nyoro nabakondera gutobwatia sensemeria ya YouTube wetera Ndizi TV News yaso mutandao Twitter tonyore wetera @Ndizi TV News erio togendrego kumanyia manke eretariane Evelyn Osero ulitogosanganere asensemo imanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Uta kabana ntuiko mwerio mirobero yonsi yagenderete kobekwa herio koenekia buna obochorio bonene bu mwako yewechi 2022 ngo chibore gokorekana asenchira erengikeranu ni wo waziri woborindi bwaime Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i abeirega koenekia buna eserikali nigo eyariganite boikeranu gochako bwatrana ne kiombe kyobochori ne chimbebe IBC koenekia buna obochori bwakorekanire asenchira ere yo bwororo gokwana chinga kichege karo kyabene yeserikali mwaziri Matiang'i nigo boigaba kerembia mono ababwatani bonsi gose abarai bonsi kora serikali yense ya Kenya aso kubwatrana kwenekia buna emeroberio au ngo ikraniere ekera igo ateru nani bagocha kwenekia obochorio bwo bwakorekanira senchira ere yo murembe.
I am very grateful on behalf of my colleagues and on behalf of government for the solid relations that we have maintained with our partners, all of them. The head of the UN office in Nairobi has been with us this morning, the World Bank and all our big development partners. We've had a very productive discussion. I will conclude my remarks by reiterating what we have said before. We are ready, prepared and totally committed to supporting the IBC to conduct the next general elections. We will do everything it will take and everything under the law to ensure that we fulfill our constitutional mandate and our obligations under the law, namely to ensure a peaceful, a stable country, a peaceful and effective transition.
Abamenyi korwase county ya Trans Nzoia nigo baganiria bana siasa bonsi kweneke bunango kora bare siasa cyabo asenchirere yo murembe ero gotaturubania omurembe bwa Kenya ukona chinga kecho nigo abamenya obo bateru na bana siasa banke nigo barokanire bakoruterana amangana tabwendereti gose gotumeka chingwa na tabwendereti chinga kibare asemesangire kano yabo yage siasa yani gago cha magega yo murai yo mokonyibo murai wense ya Kenya Dr. William Samoei Ruto korokana gokwana bobe igoro yomu waziri ebwoborendi Eugene Wamalwa asekeria nere Eugene Wamalwa betega kumuiraniria omoskeruto na kumugania korwa maskani anenego chiase abakenya bonsi.
Jinsi tumesema tunataka amani. Jamii yetu ya hapa Trans Nzoia ambayo ni cosmopolitan ina makabila yote. Tunataka amani. Na hiyo amani najua kwamba kijana wetu Eugene Wamalwa amekuwa ni mtu wa kuunganisha jamii hizi zote. Nakumbuka vizuri tukiwa na issue ya Mabanga Peace Accord ambayo ilianza kuleta amani katika Trans Nzoia.
Katika hii kaunti yetu nikiwa mtumishi wa Trans Nzoia, mimi naomba tuwe na amani kwa kampeni zetu zote. Mwanasiasa yeyote anayefanya campaign sisi tumemkubali. Lakini cha kwanza ni amani.
Abamanyi iberi chiko korwase University ya Moi yogotoka imeyo mucho Eldoret me county ya Uasin Gishu nigo bagenderete no musangirikano bogo kwanira igoro ya magendero ase university eyo musangirikano yo nigo soali tukuria kabere ase kerengekere ekenene kire kubwatanya bali bonsi babeire bagokora korwase eskuru eyo kwene kya bunanko bwatirana bare gosira amagendero ye university eyo.
When the alumni then are able to come together, they are able to speak to those who are getting into the market and to also prepare them for the frustrations that they are likely to face.
We had a chance to welcome back our alumni on campus. We had a conference, and our focus on the conference was how to promote community-centered legal practice and research, because we found that over the years most of our alumni are found everywhere across this nation.
I think that's one place we have failed in Kenya. Alumni do not go back. Universities should be research centers. They should be think tanks, which then will become income generation departments. We don't have those in the universities. So when alumni come back, what they bring back is intellectual capacity, they bring back networking, they bring back contacts.
Omurikyo botambe ase wizara y'oburendi waime Dr. Karanja Kibicho ni wanera beire ga kubolia banasiasa gotumeka chingwana chindonke naboigo chibwenerete achinga kibakora emesangerekano yabo ya siasa okona chinga kyecho Kibicho ni gatere buna abanasiasa banke nigo barokanire bagotumeka amangana tabwenereti ase mono abeire ga kubagikeria ababwatani baye oyo koriye kirogo kyoburayo bonene bwense weterase kyama kya UDA Dr. William Samoei Ruto asekeria atere buna nigo bako tumeka amangana yokoramana ose ayu atabwenereti as bosio ubwabananchi.
I don't think I have a better English word than to say it's rubbish. There are these allegations that keep going around about us interfering with the work of our Ngao officers, which I dismiss. In fact, the less said about them, the better, because you don't want to give wild allegations any room for being propagated. Because we, as national government administration officers, are people who are employed to serve Kenyans with a lot of neutrality. But we also have a responsibility to tell Kenyans what it is they must look for in leaders, especially now that we are going towards elections. And we continue calling out issues that they must look out for. Issues of integrity, issues of honesty, issues of transparency, issues of consistency. We must look at this and tell them what to look. But we have seen, especially the group of Kenya Kwanza, whenever we talk about stealing public resources, they think we are referring to them. We are not referring to them. We are referring to thieves in Kenya. And if you are not a thief, you need not to worry, because it's not you we are referring to. But I have never gone to a public forum to say so and so is a thief. We are just saying, if leaders come here and you know they are thieves, don't vote for them. That is civic education, and every responsible country, every responsible government has a duty to call out those that don't have the right attitude towards leadership. We had an opportunity to come and have a security briefing. We are aware there is an election around the corner, and it is necessary that the grassroots leaders who are assistant chiefs all the way to county commissioners would get an opportunity to tell us about the situation in Murang'a, the preparedness they have to handle the elections, how they are going to deploy to ensure that the elections are clear of any violence. That's the discussion we are having with them and listening to their concerns.
Abarai korwase county ya Kirinyaga nigo bamwegereiro murai wense ya Kenya musike uru muigai Kenyatta ase ogoteba buna nabwato bosibore bwo gukora chi campaign achinga kechigare ase ABC atarasoka ukona chinga kecho nigo babere bakomochya balia bakomugikeria omusike uru ase ogokora chi campaign na utaona nabwato bosibore na igo nara ase ABC asa arabeka wikirania magendro yechingencho au
kutembea. Hiyo ni iko kwa constitution. Kila Mkenya ako na haki ya kutembea na kufanya na kupigia yeyote debe ama kula ambaye anataka. Kwa hivyo mimi singeona kitu baya vile ameanza kufanya. Hata tunamuuliza kuja Kirinyaga na kuja Mount Kenya, Your Excellency. Sasa kuja hapa fanyia Azimio campaign, tutafurahia. Na ni kweli inaonekana Azimio iko 43, au wengine naona kama wako karibu 37. Na kama vile ninakuanga nikisema mara nyingi, kutangulia sio kufika. Nilisema hapo beleni, nikasema kama Azimio tunakwea mlima polepole. Na hii tukasema ni marathon. Finishing power ndio inatakikana. Na kwa hivyo mimi naonelea tukiendelea wiki zingine 2-3 tutakuwa kitu kama 55, tukiendelea hivyo kufika 60.
The president is free to go anywhere in Kenya. Even anywhere in the world. Anatembea ni president. Msipige kelele akienda kufungua projects ya serikali. Hata nyinyi mnaenda huko kupiga kelele. Mnasema tumefanya hii, tunafanya hii, inafanya na nani? Na president ndio amefanya hii kazi yote, Jubilee government.
Uhuru ni rais anayestaafu na lazima awache Kenya mikononi ya salama. Na makosa ya Uhuru ni kusema ya kwamba ufisadi lazima ukome. Makosa ya Uhuru ni kusema ya kwamba wale watu walikuwa naiba mali ya Wakenya watafungwa na mama na baba. Hapo iko makosa wananchi.
Mwanji umuriri ya inaro na kwariganiritie asemesa ya maiya chinsa isano nebira senchirere yobwinge kurindi nyerekero chirarage chinsa 10 ya munenda mangi na ninutwe nyora senchira ere yobwinge ekerobono obumuboria bwa Kenya kwanza korawa na Dr. William Samoei Ruto yokoriruke kerogo kyobura gusebendera yekero kyobura yobonene bagenderetie na siasa chiabo ime ye county ya Migori chingaki obumuboria bwa Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya korawa na Raila Amolo Odinga na barabu bagenderetie siasa chiabo ase orogongo rwa pwani echo chiaswa rituko ria gatatu ekerabona bakageiro kora siasa chiabo ase amatukane asorogongo rwa coast mwancho muriere ringo wakirangambia muno asogochora kobana inchi goikomoero balibons baba kubwatira nainche kwene kiabuna amngana wikira senchira yobwenge na barabuni gonko bakirangambia muno kukonelia burigereri burobya na boigo omubasoro motaireru iretariane Evelyn Osero norto kubwatira nere kwene kiabuna onse awikira sense muimanyiriro ni gakoro kwa Joshua Auta.